So I have a 2009 Honda CRV that is making a noise when you press the lock unlock button. So yep. So the noise happens when you lock it. Yep. So this means that this actuator is bad. Somehow the gear is stripped. That's the sound of it. It only happens on this side. So this is the replacement one that I bought from RockAuto. Yep. It's not really the original one. It's mainly all plastic, but it's quite cheap. Probably like 30 bucks plus shipping, 40 bucks total. So I am removing the covers of the door panel, one over here on the handle, then this one over here. Yep. And one over here. This one over here near the handle, and then one over here. So once the cover is out, loosen the screw. Same thing with this one, that one, yeah, and over here. So once all the screws are out, you're just gonna yank the panel here. So I'm pulling the panel out slowly. So to remove the trim over here near the side mirrors. Then you have this cable over here that you need to take out. Blue at the bottom, white at the top, and then the electrical connector. So this handle actually like breaks off from the door panel. And then the connector and the door panel is there. So I'm gonna remove this lock actuator. Have to use a screw. So you need to use a big impact screwdriver on this one to take this out, so that you will not strip the thread. I got all the 3 screws out. Yep. So this is gonna be loose. It's still tight. Try grab it from the inside. There's still one more screw in here that holds it. Once the screw is out, I'm gonna take out the connector. Then this should be good to go. Let's see if there's something that over there. I think there's like nothing. So you need to take out the this rod first before you can pull the actuator out. So let me take that out. Yep. Looks like this is not the correct way. So actually I have to remove the 10mm bolt over here that holds the bracket for the glass, and then take out the rod from here. Focus. Where was it? Yep. Take out the rod from there. And then you can fish this out. Okay, now I got everything out. So I'm gonna transfer all the cables to the new one. So I got it side by side. First thing is move this rod into this one. Not sure how can you remove this inside the car, but yeah, this one I'm not so sure though. Oh, I wonder why this is cheap. That's because you have to transfer this whole thing over here. See this one, there's no way you could transfer this without removing all these small screws. Luckily it should be just a few smaller screws, that's it. So there are only 2 screws holding it, and the problem is, yeah, I don't have any more weather stripping in this one. Yeah, this kind of sucks. So I'm gonna transfer this over there. Okay, now I'm transferring this one. Lock it. Yep, it's locked. And put this in place. Yep, now it's secure. Same thing with this one. This one is just a wire. Oh, take this out first. Now both the wires are in place. Gonna put this one in. And this sucks. I got no weather stripping, so I'm gonna probably put some tape on this one. Now I got the replacement one. Have all the connectors or the rod in place, and then the handle, the connector for the handle in place. So I'm gonna put it back, and I think it should be straightforward. So remember, you need to take out that bracket over there. There's a 10 mm bolt over here that you need to take out.